everyone.
I'm going higher this time.
Good morning, sunshine. Brush, 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 clean and shiny, all fresh and ready for a new day.
Good morning, my friends. Morning, monkey.
Hey, shovel, how? Right. Let's go to the shamba. See you soon, friends.
All right, let's make it nice and clean. The cows will love. Perfect. Time to load it all up. Perfect. Time to load it all up. Ha. Just like that. Clean and back home we go. I'm back, my friends. Lunchtime soon. Now for the best part, feeding the cows. All right, everyone, one by one. Okay, my thirsty friends, here comes the water. Ah, that feels good. Everything's safe and sound. All right, Pumba, are you ready to lose again? Ha! Not this time, my friend. Today...
Hold on tight, everyone.
I'm going higher this time.
Remember when Pumba tried to climb the mango tree?
Hey, that branch was too weak. Not my fault.
What a beautiful night.
Good night, everyone.
Every dream begins with a peaceful heart. I'm going to the agrovet shop to buy tomato seeds. Good morning, sir. Do you have tomato seeds today?
Yes, yes, fresh and ready for planting.
Thank you, sir. I'll plant these today. Good luck, my friend. May your garden grow.
These tomatoes are gonna grow big and juicy.
Now we wait and see them grow. I'll make the soil soft and ready before I plant the seeds.
There we go. 1 seed, 2 seeds, 3 seeds. These will grow into big taste tomatoes.
Wow! Look at that! You're growing already! Good morning, my little tomatoes! Now you're growing so well! Keep going, my little tomatoes! They're growing fruits now! Just a little more time!
Zimeva Cabeza, my tomatoes are ready for harvest. This is the happiest day. My hard work has paid off.
Perfect! Just look at this color! This is the best harvest ever! We did it! Let's take them home and celebrate!
My first big harvest. Wait till everyone at home sees these.
Welcome back, monkey! Look at all those tomatoes!
The harvest was a big success.
Good morning, my friends! Today's tomatoes are fresh, juicy, and full of flavor. Straight from my farm, grown with love. All tomatoes sold! What a great day! What a beautiful... This success belongs to all of us. Teamwork, patience, and love. That's what made it happen.
All that hard work.